Hello.
Welcome to our channel. Hi kids! Today we are going to draw a healthy plate that makes our body strong and happy. Let's start together, step by step. First, draw a big round plate in the center of your page. Let's start with the tomato. Draw a small leaf on top, then a circle for the body. Draw two small shapes on each side that look like bean seeds. Add a few little seeds inside to finish the tomato. Now draw the broccoli. Start with the top, a big puffy cloud shape. Add the stem, a rounded rectangle at the bottom. Next, let's draw the carrot. Start with the leaves on top. Then draw a long, rounded triangle pointing down. Add a few small lines for details. Omelette. For the omelette, draw one circle inside, then an irregular shape around it. On the right side of the plate, draw a circle for the glass, then a U shape at the bottom. This is glass of water. Fill it with water. Draw a knife. And on the left, add the fork. Now it's time to bring your drawing to life. Green. Let's add some beautiful colors. Red. Tomatoes have vitamin C.
Gently down the stream, merrily, 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 merrily,
Which helps your body fight germs
row, row, row your boat
and stay strong.
the stream. Merrily, merrily, merrily,
Pink.
merrily, life is but a dream.
Yellow.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a
Green.
merrily, life is but a row your boat gently
Carrots have vitamin A.
gently down the stream. Merrily, life is but a
Which helps your eyes see clearly and stay healthy.
Orange.
Row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Hush, little baby, don't say a word.
Eggs have protein.
Gonna buy you a mockingbird, and if that mockingbird don't sing,
Yellow.
Mama's gonna buy you a diamond ring.
Which helps your muscles grow and gives your energy to play all day.
That diamond ring turns brass. Mama's gonna buy you a looking glass, and if
Green.
looking glass is
Broccoli has vitamins and fiber
high, will Billy go?
that help your bones grow strong and your tummy stay healthy.
That Billy goat won't pull.
Yellow.
Mama's gonna buy you a cart and bull, and if that cart and bull turns over,
Purple.
Mama's gonna buy you a dog named Rover. And if that dog named Rover won't bark, Mama's gonna buy you a horse and cart. And if that
Blue.
horse and cart fall down, you'll still be the sweetest little
Fill it with water. Water helps your body stay cool. Think clearly and run and play without getting tired.
Pink.
Your plate looks amazing and full of life.
Yellow.
You're helping your body stay strong and healthy.
Orange. Green.
Can you point to favorite food on your plate? It's time to take a picture of your beautiful drawing. See you next time.
Keep drawing, keep learning with